Look inside. Look inside. Can you take out the paper? Okay. Take out the next paper. What's it? No, take out the paper. What's in there? Is there a picture? Babe, are you ready?
Yeah.
Henry, you're killing me here. What's in there?
Are you sure it's not on that piece of paper?
She forgot to write it? No, there's a photo in here. Henry, take out the photo. Don't you want to know if you're having a brother or sister? Okay, put the seal in there. Look it. I feel something. What is it? Give it to Dad. He has the paper. I don't want to look now. What is it? Show Dad. What? Oh my God. It's a girl? What do you think? You're speechless. Henry, you're going to have a sister.
Oh my God.
Look it.